Lafferty compact foamers and compact sprayers are convenient hose-end dilution and application systems for a wide range of chemicals in many industries. Airless foamers create wet clinging foam that provides visual confirmation of coverage and increased chemical contact time, and sprayers project liquid chemical in a fan pattern for quick and efficient coverage. Compact models feature an attached bottle for chemical concentrate, and other models draw chemical from any user-supplied container. Some configurations feature different activation methods or flow rates, and machined stainless steel versions are available for pressure washers. This video shows the Model 25 Compact Airless Foamer for city water pressure, but the basic setup is the same for similar units. Here's how to get started. First, remove all components from the box in a clean work area and identify each part using the diagram on page 3 of the instructions. Next, you'll select a color-coded metering tip to dilute your chemical to the required ratio. Page 2 of the instructions shows a metering tip chart with the dilution ratio for each tip. This chart assumes 40 psi water pressure, so you'll need to adjust accordingly for higher or lower water pressure. Higher water pressure will result in weaker than expected dilutions. The metering tip calculator makes adjustments easy, and you can watch a separate video for full details. Once you identify the tip that is closest to your desired ratio, carefully thread it into the metering tip holder, and be careful not to cross-thread or over-tighten. Then completely slide the suction tube over the metering tip to form a tight seal. Now you can fill the bottle with chemical concentrate and attach it to the foamer. Make sure that a screened washer is installed in the spray gun inlet and connect it to a water hose with 3/4 inch garden hose fitting. Attach the foamer to the spray gun by sliding back the outer ring on the spray gun quick disconnect socket. Then push the foamer plug into the socket and release the socket ring so it locks the plug in place. Do not over-tighten the socket on the spray gun, or it will be difficult for the plug to seat properly. You're now ready to begin foaming. You may need to use a larger or smaller metering tip based on the performance and cleaning results. For example, if your chemical is very thick or not foaming well, try switching to a larger metering tip. You can rinse using just the spray gun or connect an optional rinse nozzle. When finished, hang the unit on a wall-mounted storage rack so it's safe and ready to use at any time. Keep the unused tips and instructions for future reference.